Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit 0. I'm joined by Abu Dwadi LV.
How's it, Steve? Sharp,
Yeah.
It has been a roller coaster.
Yes.
But eventually we are crowned the champions.
Yes, Project.
There were a lot of people here, Steve, that were saying no, Pirates are in now.
Yes.
And they've been proven wrong.
Yeah, they have been.
They are eating a humble pie today. A lot of coaches, Coach Merafe.
Yeah.
Who's the other one? Mangoba Mniti. You know, a whole lot of them. They were just saying Pirates is not going anywhere. Our coach KB like some kuzele
Off the camera.
Okay, be some solve. But Steve, let me say, Minang congratulate Coach Wadu.
Yes.
And I think as Orlando Pirates fans, we need to apologize to Coach Wadu.
Yes.
And I'll tell you why.
Why?
Majority of people will say no. We have never had a coach that will take a treble in the first season. We had the best coaches in a team, the likes of Ruud Krol. Ruud Krol, for him to take a treble, I think it took him 3 seasons, if I'm not mistaken. So preparing. It's not easy. So Coach Wadu, in his first year, he takes a treble. Coach Wadu, wherever you are, we're apologizing. Or let me apologize on behalf of Orlando Pirates fans. Over and above that, we had the captain, Captain Sibis. The chap was criticized each and every day.
I remember.
But I saw the contribution of Sibis. Sibis played his lungs out. Last corner today. Because sometimes as fans we are impatient, but here's why we are impatient. We are impatient because siyayibona into ukuthi yenzeka, but sometimes sibona ukuthi ayenzeki ngendlela esifuna ngakhona. But also I think we need to allow professional people to deal with professional things. Pirates, it's a professional team. It needs professionals to run. So Mina Stibo, today I'm not going to say much. All that I can say is that Coach Wadu, I apologize on behalf of Pirates fans and to Ama Pagania Ala Mbombela. I'm saying we're not sleeping. The champagnes are open. Tinabanye maspumala asiyos pozela Stibo. And then laba banye bebathi ngeke sithathe lento sizobarasela until isizini ivula. So Steve sithi siyabonga, sibonge nani ni channel. You have been with us game in and game out. Escotini sengathi ni finisher lapha Escotini, you guys are always there. And sometimes here's why abantu bebashayana after ama game. Ngaleza inkathi zakudala. Because we couldn't cough out. Uhamba uyendlini ukwatile, umuntu athi Pirates idli umfaka inqini. So manje at least kunama fans wethu sesiyakwazi ukuthi sibhodlele kuwo, and then mawuyendlini uhamba right. So Steve, mina ngithi congratulations nokuthi niyahamba niya USA. Siyanibongela bafethu. But other than that, Shapa Pagania Shapa.